Hello, Teresa. How you doing? Um, hey, I just want to mention a couple of things here. I want to look at your file since we have the JPEG, but I do need to mention that there is no, here we are in week 5, assignment 1. As you can see, I'm in doc sharing and I'm not seeing um, your submission here in doc sharing anywhere. So of course I can't comment on the technical merits of the assignment. I can definitely talk about the visual aspect of it, which I'll be more than glad to do. But in terms of being able to get your grade where it needs to be, you need to submit a layered copy, of course, as usual, as we have been doing since week 1, so that I can see your progress. Okay, let me. I think I can show you an example of what I'm talking about, and let me just see if I can open up a recent. Yeah, here's one that shows, I don't want you to, I just want you to look at this is the layers panel, okay? And you can get there by going up to the top and saying window and then finding layers, okay? But you need to have your layers preserved. Without these layers preserved, I can't tell anything about the file itself in terms of how editable it is and how responsive it's going to be down the line in terms of production and etc. So without a PSD, I guess it's kind of I'm lost. Can't do anything as far as talking about the file, but I can certainly talk about how it looks. So let's do that. You've got your JPEG, which is, that's not it. Your JPEG. I thought I had that thing. Just there it is. Okay, so let's take a look at the JPEG. I can see that you changed the shoes. I can see that you've done all the work, all the repair work. So you're looking really good here with all the repair work. But your added image. Two things I want you to think about before you repost. Number one is look at your selection. Like, look at how rough it is. I mean, in Photoshop, you can make this look like, I mean, I'm talking about forensically, you can make a document look like it is, I mean, you can't tell that that person's not really there. I mean, this technique is as old as photography itself, but it can be done seamlessly, and we don't have that here. We've got a black and white over a color image. We've got an image that was taken, this looks like circa 1970s, perhaps. And then we have this, which is not in that type era. You can tell by the color and the tone. Really concerned about the selection here. Look how rough that is. So that's not indicating a good selection technique nor good masking techniques. And these are things I really need to see in order to give you proper recommendations for, to fix your files. So, okay, so that's where I'm at. So if you would kindly just redo your assignment and make sure that you get that layered Photoshop document into doc sharing so that we can get you full possible points in grading for this assignment. Okay, thanks, Summer.